machudeni ni vaseketeri va yena va kombisa ku vilela ehandle ka khoto laha a va koxa leswaku Muhehliwa a nyikiwa xigwevo xo tika eka nandzu wo dlaya. Ku hundza emisaveni ka Nosicelo swi hlundzukise rixaka. Machudeni va lava leswaku mudlayi wa yena a xupuriwa.
The school is providing the psychologist, and Umasmanyane is also helping us with the counseling services. But for now, nothing makes sense. The counseling is there, but our wounds are still bleeding.
Ku tengwa ka nandzu swi hundziseriwe eka siku ra makumebirhi nhungu nhweti leyi taka ku endlela leswaku vulavisisi byi ya emahlweni. Huvo ya vuchuchisi yi tshemba leswaku yi ni nandzu wo khomeka.
We are very confident about our case. We do have a confession from the 25-year-old accused, and also we do have statements from witnesses as well. And there's one particular witness who says that she saw him leaving the place of residence where he stayed with the deceased here in the Kwigni, carrying these bags which contained the body parts of the deceased.
Ku dlayiwa ka Nosicelo swi pfuxe njhaka njekisano mayelana ni ku pfuna ka minongonoko leyi lwaka ni madzolonga ya rimbewu.
We feel ashamed, we are angry as men, but in the same vein we don't want to be reactional but we want to be proactive. What do I mean by that? We want to organize ourselves and talk about these things because we believe in talking. When we talk, at least we are calm and collected and we are able then to have a voice of reason. What has happened here, it will forever be in our hearts, and as men we need to take a collective approach as to say it's all in the name of men, and what do we do with that?
University yi ta va ni ntirho wo tsundzuka Nosicelo hi Ravunharhu.